Hello everyone and welcome to our seasonal texture full reveal video. So in this release we have lots of beautiful 3D embossing folders. We have our usual 6x6 size and we're also introducing a new size too. So first up we have a classic Pinecones slim 3D embossing folder, and in here you can see that we have a beautiful pine cone array with some ferns. Now the size of this one is 4 1/8 by 8 1/4, so it will work perfectly for slimline cards. Next up we have Frilly Peonies. So this is a beautiful 3D embossing folder. It is 6x6 in size, and you can see that we have a beautiful kind of cluster of peonies here with their little frilly petals. We can't wait to see how you use this one, and it would work for all different occasions. Now, next up we have Pink Perfection Camellia. Now again, a 3D embossing folder which is 6x6. Now even though it's called Pink Camellia, you could definitely colour this in all different colours, and it would give all different kinds of looks with the colours you choose. Next up we have Winter Foliage. Now this would work perfectly with our festive foliage stamp set. In here we have a tree with a heart, which is very, very pretty. This would work well for all of your holiday cards and holiday projects too. Next up we have Linked Ovals. Now this is a geometric 3D embossing folder, and it is 6x6, and we have the pattern all the way over the front of this one. Being geometric in design, it will work for all different occasions and different kinds of projects too, and we are sure you're going to love the retro feel. Next up we have Organic Stones. So again, another 6x6 3D embossing folder, and you can see the beautiful texture that you're going to get on here. They're kind of like painted dots. It was going to give it a really great feel or a fun look to your paper crafting projects. Last but by no means least, we have a faux letterpress debossing folder. So this is going to deboss that circle element, but it's also going to push the words up, so it's going to have a really beautiful letterpress look when you do use this one on your handmade cards. So these are all of the beautiful embossing folders in our seasonal texture release. We really do hope that you've spotted something in here that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.